Welcome back. Yesterday we learned about loops, while loop, for loop and do while loop. Today we are leveling up with nested loops. So what are nested loops? In simple words, a nested loop is a loop inside another loop. Think of it like a clock. The R&, the shorter one, moves slowly, like the outer loop. It controls the big cycle. The minute hand, the long one, moves faster, like the inner loop. It repeats more often inside the outer loop. So for every 1 hour, the short hand moves, but the long hand, the minutes one, completes a full cycle, 60 minutes. That's exactly how the nested loops work. Outer loop moves once, inner loop runs many times inside it. Example, we all learned multiplication tables in school, right? 2 table, 3 table. With nested loops, we can generate them automatically. So let's write a code for multiplication tables. Public class multiplication table, public static void main string args. Outer loop, which table 1 to 10. For int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus, system.out.println, table of plus I. Inner loop equal to number inside the table 1 to 10. For int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 10, j plus plus, system.out.println, I plus x plus j plus equal to plus ixj. System.out.println, just a blank line for clarity. The outer loop I decides which table 1 to 10. First, it's the table of 1, then table of 2, then 3, all the way to 10. Inner loop, j decides the number inside the table. From each table, it runs from 1 to 10. So, why nested loops matter? Whenever you need to deal with rows and columns, that's where we need nested loops. Example, printing a star pattern, checking a grid in the game of chess, multiplication tables. It's like Iron Man's suit. Outer system controls the whole suit, while the inner suit handles every single weapon of gadget inside.